Hi, everybody. It's me, your old friend Dale Howard. It will be my privilege to be speaking once again at the Project Virtual Conference this year. My topic this time around will be tips and tricks for administering and using Project Online. I'll be including tips and tricks for nearly every role that uses Project Online. At a minimum, I'll be having tricks for project managers, resource managers, application administrators, and team members. For example, here's a teaser for a little trick I'll be showing. Did you know that in the upper right corner of Project Web App, there's a little non-obvious button named Focus on Content? Do you know who should be using this button, where they should be using it, and why they would even want to use it? Well, join me at my presentation and find out. See you then. Bye-bye.